Think your Toyota will last forever just because it's a Toyota? You're not wrong, but here's the truth most people miss. Not every Toyota model year is created equal. Some are absolute legends that cruise past 300,000 miles without breaking a sweat. Others? Let's just say they're best admired from afar. After more than a decade working on Toyotas, I've seen which models are truly bulletproof and which ones will leave you stranded. So today, we're breaking down the top 13 Toyota models and specific years that simply refuse to quit, the ones that can handle anything you throw at them. And this isn't marketing fluff or dealership talk. I'm talking about real-world reliability, the Toyotas that keep running when everything else gives up. These are the vehicles mechanics recommend to their own families, the ones that rack up 500,000 miles and still sound like new. So if you're in the market for your next Toyota, or you're wondering if your current one can really go the distance, stick around, because what you're about to learn could save you thousands in future repairs and help you pick a car that might just outlast your mortgage. Before we jump in, hit that like button and subscribe if you want more Toyota insights like this. Share this video in your favorite Toyota forums or Facebook groups. It really helps the channel reach other drivers who need this info. And drop a comment below with your Toyota's year, model, and mileage. I see every comment, and I love seeing which Toyotas are still going strong out there. Number 1. The Toyota Land Cruiser, the undisputed king of reliability. This isn't just Toyota's most durable vehicle, it's one of the most indestructible SUVs ever made. The Land Cruiser has earned legendary status with governments, rescue teams, and off-roaders who simply can't afford failure. Its secret? Classic body-on-frame construction, the same rugged engineering found in heavy-duty trucks. This isn't a crossover pretending to be tough. It's built for decades of abuse. Whether you're running a traditional gasoline V8 or Toyota's newer hybrid setups, the Land Cruiser's powertrain is rock solid. I've seen these things hit 400,000 miles and still climb mountains like they just rolled off the showroom floor. The best years? Look for models from 2008 onward. That's when Toyota perfected the formula: modern comfort, timeless durability. The 2016 to 2021 versions are especially bulletproof, blending newer tech with that same tank-like foundation. They hold their value like gold bars, and for good reason. Number 2. The Toyota Corolla. The world's best-selling car, and it's not even close. The Corolla earns a 4.5 out of 5 reliability rating and ranks first among compact cars for long-term dependability. Average repair cost? Just $362 per year. Practically nothing in today's market. The magic of the Corolla is consistency. Its chance of a major repair is barely 7%, compared to 12% for most vehicles. And when something does break, it's cheap and easy to fix. I've seen Corollas survive 3 different owners and still run like clockwork at 250,000 miles. Toyota never rushed this car. Every engine and transmission is built for longevity, not flashy horsepower. The standout year? 2007. Perfect reliability ratings across the board. You can find one for around $6,000 to $7,000 and still get over 30 miles per gallon. If you want something newer, models from 2014 onward are rock solid, and the 2020 to 2024 models combine Toyota's safety tech with that same Corolla toughness. Number 3. The Toyota Camry, America's best-selling midsize sedan for a reason. The 2025 Camry just scored 86% for reliability from J.D. Power, higher than almost every competitor, including the Honda Accord. The Camry's strength comes from its proven engines and build quality. The 4-cylinder is practically unkillable, and the V6 gives you power without sacrificing longevity. But the hybrid versions? That's where Toyota's 20-plus years of hybrid expertise really shines. The best years to buy? 2014 to 2017. These late 7th-gen models hit the sweet spot. Modern features, simple engineering, and zero drama. The 2015 Camry was the first to add backup cameras across all trims, and the 2020 Plus hybrids are some of the most fuel-efficient, reliable sedans ever built. If you're finding this breakdown helpful, make sure to subscribe. These insights can literally save you thousands when choosing your next Toyota. Number 4. The Toyota 4Runner, the definition of rugged reliability. The 4Runner scores a 4.0 out of 5 reliability rating, ranking 9th out of 26 midsize SUVs, but those numbers don't tell the full story. This thing was built to survive the end of the world. Average repair cost? $514 a year. Not bad for a vehicle that can climb mountains and towboats all in one weekend. The 4Runner's body-on-frame design makes it tougher than any crossover out there. It's simple, mechanical, and easy for any shop to repair. That's why it's been on Kelley Blue Book's best resale value list for 11 straight years. People don't just like the 4Runner, they trust it to keep going when others break. I've personally seen them hit 300,000 miles while still tackling trails like they're brand new. For the best reliability, go with 2010 or newer. The 2014 to 2019 models are the sweet spot. Upgraded interiors, same unstoppable platform. The 2020 plus models add modern safety tech without losing the rugged DNA that made the 4Runner famous. Number 5. The Toyota RAV4, the SUV that started it all, and one of the most reliable crossovers ever made. The RAV4 holds a 4.0 out of 5 reliability rating, ranking third among compact SUVs. Average annual repair cost? $429. Incredibly low for an SUV that millions depend on daily. The RAV4's formula is simple. Keep refining what already works. Toyota hasn't reinvented it, just perfected it. The powertrains are durable, the hybrid systems are mature, and the build quality is consistently top tier. Speaking of hybrids, the RAV4 Hybrid deserves special mention. It gets 38 miles per gallon while keeping Toyota's bulletproof reliability intact. It's basically Prius technology wrapped in a tougher, more versatile body. For buyers, the best years are 2013 and newer. The 2016 to 2019 models are particularly solid, and anything from 2019 onward, especially the hybrids, represent some of the most dependable small SUVs on the road. These things hit 200,000 miles easily and plenty push past 300,000 with basic care. Number 6. The Toyota Highlander. The Highlander is Toyota's family workhorse, the perfect blend of comfort, space, and reliability. It's the kind of SUV that quietly racks up hundreds of thousands of miles while hauling kids, pets, groceries, and luggage without complaint. The secret behind its success is Toyota's conservative engineering philosophy. Instead of reinventing the wheel, Toyota perfected what already worked. Proven powertrains, strong construction, and mechanical simplicity all come together to create one of the most dependable midsize SUVs ever built. The second and third generation Highlanders from 2008 to 2019 are standout performers. But the 2014 to 2019 models are where Toyota really nailed the formula. Updated styling, improved fuel economy, and the same bulletproof reliability Toyota is known for. The Highlander Hybrid deserves a special mention here too. It combines Toyota's hybrid mastery with three-row practicality, delivering exceptional fuel efficiency without sacrificing power or longevity. What really sets the Highlander apart is how it handles real life. Daily commutes, family vacations, chaotic school mornings. It takes everything in stride. I've worked on Highlanders with over 250,000 miles that still drive tight and solid, with interiors that look barely broken in. Number 7. The Toyota Avalon. Think of the Avalon as Toyota's quiet luxury car, understated, elegant, and nearly indestructible. It's the car Toyota executives drive when they want Lexus comfort without Lexus maintenance costs. The Avalon's reliability comes from Toyota's tried-and-true V6 engines and traditional engineering. Smooth, powerful, and built to last, these powertrains can easily surpass 300,000 miles with proper care. The build quality is exceptional too. Rich materials, tight fit and finish, and minimal wear even after years of use. The fourth-generation Avalon from 2013 to 2018 represents peak Toyota refinement, blending luxury amenities with that legendary dependability. The 2016 to 2018 models are particularly strong, offering updated technology without unnecessary complexity. The fifth generation from 2019 onward continues that tradition with more luxury features and available hybrid powertrains. Speaking of hybrids, the Avalon Hybrid is a standout. It pairs Toyota's proven hybrid system with large sedan comfort, delivering incredible fuel economy and rock-solid reliability. These cars regularly exceed 200,000 miles while maintaining a whisper-quiet, refined ride. Number 8. The Toyota Tacoma. This midsize truck is a legend in its own right. The Tacoma has built an entire reputation on reliability, toughness, and value, and for good reason. It's one of the few modern trucks that can take real abuse and still come back for more. The Tacoma's strength lies in its old-school truck DNA. It's built on a rugged, proven platform designed for work and adventure. The powertrains are straightforward and durable, and the four-wheel drive systems are built for real off-road use, not just marketing hype. The second-generation Tacoma from 2005 to 2015 represents the best blend of simplicity and strength. The 2012 to 2015 models, in particular, offer improved interiors and reliability that's second to none. The third generation from 2016 onward keeps the tradition alive, with better safety tech and refinement while staying true to its rugged roots. I've seen Tacomas with more than 300,000 miles still hauling, towing, and tackling trails without breaking a sweat. Toyota's focus on proven components over flashy features is exactly what makes this truck nearly impossible to kill. Number 9. The Toyota Sequoia. If you need serious power and space but still want Toyota reliability, the Sequoia is your SUV. It's basically a Land Cruiser's big brother, a full-size family hauler that can tow, haul, and conquer just about anything. The Sequoia's reliability comes from its truck-based foundation and Toyota's keep-it-simple approach. No unnecessary complexity, just solid engineering built to last. The result is a large SUV that routinely blows past 300,000 miles while staying smooth, quiet, and capable. The second-generation Sequoia from 2008 to 2017 represents the reliability sweet spot. The 2012 to 2017 models are particularly strong, offering updated features and improved comfort while maintaining Toyota's bulletproof build quality. The latest generation continues that reputation with better fuel efficiency and modern safety systems, but without sacrificing what made the Sequoia great in the first place. What sets it apart is balance. It tows boats, hauls trailers, carries 8 passengers, and still manages to feel refined. I've worked on Sequoias that have spent years towing in hot climates and still run like new. Few full-size SUVs age this gracefully. Number 10. The Toyota Sienna. You might laugh at the idea of a minivan being cool, but when it comes to dependability, the Sienna absolutely earns its spot on this list. For families who want peace of mind, there's simply nothing better. The Sienna's reliability comes from Toyota's obsession with making everything work perfectly and keeping it that way. The sliding doors, the powertrains, the electronics, they all just last. It's the minivan you buy once and keep for a decade. The third-generation Sienna from 2011 to 2020 is the one to look for. The 2015 to 2020 models hit the sweet spot with modern updates and proven components. The newest hybrid-only Sienna continues that tradition, offering all-wheel drive, great fuel economy, and Toyota's hallmark dependability. These vans take real-world punishment. School runs, road trips, moving days, messy kids, and just keep going. I've seen Siennas with over 200,000 miles that still drive like they're halfway through their lifespan. Number 11. The Toyota Prius. The car that changed the world's view of hybrids and proved that fuel efficiency doesn't have to come at the cost of reliability. The Prius's secret is Toyota's cautious, over-engineered hybrid system. Instead of chasing flashy performance numbers, Toyota focused on making every component work perfectly for the long haul. The result is a hybrid that regularly exceeds 300,000 miles while still returning 50-plus miles per gallon. The second and third generations, from 2004 to 2015, are the ones that built the Prius legend. The 2010 to 2015 models are particularly dependable, offering refined styling and improved efficiency. The fourth generation, from 2016 onward, continues that streak with better handling, updated tech, and even higher fuel economy. What truly sets the Prius apart is how rarely it breaks. I've seen original hybrid batteries still going strong after 200,000 miles. It's one of those rare cars that's both economical and virtually indestructible, a combination that's made it one of Toyota's proudest achievements. Number 12. The Toyota Tundra. The Tundra is the definition of a no-drama truck. It might not win every horsepower or towing contest, but when it comes to long-term dependability, nothing in its class comes close. This is the truck that shows up every single day. No excuses. Toyota built the Tundra for durability, not bragging rights. Its engines are under-stressed workhorses that run forever with basic maintenance. The transmissions are designed to handle real loads without giving up, and the overall construction puts strength over flashy features that tend to fail after a few years. The second-generation Tundra from 2007 to 2019 represents outstanding value and reliability. The 2014 to 2019 models are especially strong, blending updated interiors with Toyota's classic bulletproof engineering. The 2018 model year in particular hits the sweet spot for reliability and capability. I've seen Tundras push well past 300,000 miles while still towing trailers and hauling heavy loads like it's day one. What separates the Tundra from other full-size trucks is how it handles hard work without constant repair bills. Construction sites, ranches, long commutes, this truck takes it all in stride. I've worked on commercial Tundras with multiple owners and over 250,000 miles that still fire up and get the job done every morning. Number 13. The Toyota Venza. The Venza is Toyota's bridge between sedan comfort and SUV practicality, a quiet achiever that's as reliable as it is refined. It might not grab attention like a 4Runner or a Tacoma, but when it comes to daily dependability, it's right up there with Toyota's best. The current generation Venza, available only as a hybrid, showcases Toyota's most advanced hybrid technology wrapped in a sleek, comfortable package. This isn't experimental tech. It's the same proven system that's powered millions of Toyotas for decades. The result? Outstanding fuel economy and the kind of reliability that's made Toyota hybrids famous worldwide. The first-generation Venza from 2009 to 2015 also deserves recognition. These models deliver a smooth, quiet ride with Toyota's signature conservative engineering. The 2012 to 2015 versions are especially solid, with updated tech and simple, durable mechanics that keep them running long past 200,000 miles. What makes the Venza reliable is Toyota's restraint. No gimmicks. No overcomplicated electronics. Just proven systems designed to last. The all-wheel drive setup, when equipped, is simple yet effective, and the overall construction is built to handle everyday driving without surprises. But here's the bigger picture. These Toyotas aren't just reliable on paper, they're reliable in the real world. When you need to get to work on a freezing Monday morning, when you're driving cross-country to visit family, or when you've got a packed schedule and zero time for car trouble, these Toyotas simply work. There's no magic trick here. The secret is Toyota's philosophy. Proven systems, conservative design, and obsessive testing. While other automakers chase the latest gimmicks or squeeze every ounce of power out of smaller engines, Toyota focuses on building vehicles that last decades, not years. They use materials that endure, powertrains that rarely fail, and layouts that any mechanic can service without a computer science degree. That's why these specific models and years keep topping reliability charts. It's why mechanics recommend them to their own families, and it's why their resale values stay sky-high year after year. People know what Toyota stands for: quality that doesn't quit. Here's what to remember. Maintenance matters more than mileage. A well-cared-for Toyota with 200,000 miles is often a better buy than a neglected one with half that. These vehicles reward attention. Keep up with oil changes, fluids, and inspections, and they'll keep rewarding you with unmatched longevity. At the end of the day, these 13 Toyotas represent the gold standard in automotive reliability. They're the cars and trucks that routinely hit 500,000 miles and still start every morning without hesitation. In a world full of disposable vehicles, Toyotas remain the exception. Built to last, built to serve, and built to earn your trust. Whether it's a high-mileage Land Cruiser, a workhorse Tacoma, or a Corolla that's outlived 3 owners, these vehicles give you something that money can't buy: peace of mind. The confidence that your car will be there when you need it most. That's the real legacy of these legendary Toyotas, not just the miles they cover, but the decades of dependable service they deliver. Choose wisely from this list, take care of it, and you'll have a vehicle that lasts longer than most people keep their homes. There you have it, the 13 Toyota models that simply refuse to quit. From the unstoppable Land Cruiser to the ever-dependable Corolla, each one proves that reliability isn't a buzzword for Toyota. It's a tradition. I've been working on Toyotas for over a decade, and I can tell you firsthand, this kind of reliability doesn't happen by accident. It's the result of Toyota's unwavering focus on perfecting what works instead of chasing every trend that fades. If this breakdown helped you understand which Toyotas actually deliver on their promises, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. I've got more real-world Toyota reviews, reliability breakdowns, and maintenance tips coming your way. The kind that can save you thousands in repairs and keep your vehicle running for decades. And don't forget, drop a comment below with your Toyota's year, model, and mileage. I see every comment, and it's always amazing to see how many of these Toyotas are still out there on the road today. Whether you're pushing 400,000 miles in a Tundra or just starting fresh in a RAV4, your story helps inspire other owners to keep theirs running strong. Remember, owning one of these Toyotas is just the start. Maintain it right, use genuine parts, and treat it with care. And it'll reward you with the kind of reliability most drivers can only dream about. That's not hype. That's Toyota engineering, proven by millions of miles of real-world proof.